Want to cancel your subscription to Netflix but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Netflix membership. Now let's get started. To cancel your Netflix subscription, go to netflix.com in your preferred browser and log into your account. Then click your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Account. Then click Cancel Membership. To confirm, click Finish Cancellation. Once you cancel your subscription, you'll still be able to access Netflix until the next date you would have been billed. That's all it takes to cancel your Netflix subscription. For more helpful Netflix tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Netflix tutorials. We'll have it linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.